how's it going? That was my free radio, FM, because satellite just ran out, and I'm too cheap to renew. So as you can see here, I'm at the beach. Well, the fake beach. It's a lake. But there's still sand. It's still a beach. So I'm here with you today. Let me swing around here. There I am. Because we have a new soda to try. It's actually one I was looking for and couldn't find anywhere. I found it at a gas station. And I was actually going to do the video there, but someone pulled in behind me and the pump was broken. So instead of sitting there like a jerk, I decided to just come here. So this one is Coca-Cola Y3000 limited edition. If I remember correctly, the big deal with this one is that this flavor was AI generated. Now you can Google that. I want to say I heard it from someone or read it somewhere. I don't remember, but hopefully that's true. I'm not, spreading rumors, but yeah, the whole idea is that Coke put it into the, AI program, create a new flavor that's delicious, right? So we're going to see if this is delicious. So let me put you down for just a second. Pop the top. All right. I have literally no idea what to expect from this. So hang on. And there we are. We still good? Yep, we're still filming. All right. It smells kind of weird. I'm pleasantly surprised it's not like super fruity. I don't even know what that smells like. I don't even have a guess. All right, well, cheers. I don't know how I feel about that. First off, this is full sugar. I don't know if they have a zero sugar version of this or not. This is all I saw. I kind of like it, but it's weird. I really don't know how to explain that. The root flavor to me is like almost like a birch beer or a root beer, but it's not as strong as that. I know a lot of people don't like those sodas or that flavor because it's so just in your face. There's no really like light root beer or birch beer. They're just very strong flavors. But it's almost like they started with that, but then like added in things to make it different. Wow, that's weird. I'm going to say there's definitely a lot of vanilla. I'm picking up a lot of vanilla here. Also that like marshmallowy vanilla type flavor. That's the best I can do. Vanilla, marshmallow, root beer. But not really root beer. It's not quite there. It's like 20 or 30% root beer. Interesting. All right, AI, which is going to take over the world, by the way. I don't know if it's going to be like we see in the movies exactly, but it might not be like, exactly like Terminator. But that is going to be the end of us if we keep playing with fire, keep making artificial intelligence smarter and smarter. I thought I read something last year about like there was an AI program and like the computers they had to literally cancel the program because they were interacting with each other in a new language they made up that people didn't even know what they were saying. That's kind of scary. They're plotting already. So I am not into AI. The flavor I'm kind of into. It's just weird. All right, guys, totally different day, but I was at the store and I happened to find the zero sugar version. So we're going to go ahead and give this a go just to see if this is any different. All right. Well, I do think that it is a little sweeter than the full sugar version. Same flavor, of course, as you would expect. It's funny because this was the first part of this video was like maybe, I don't know, 3 days ago, 2 days ago? No, 3. And I forgot what it really tasted like. I'm trying again right now. And I'm getting a lot of vanilla still. I think I said something like root beer base. Maybe not, at least not in this one. It's kind of like, I don't know, it's marshmallow-ish. Definitely like a cream soda base. So not the root beer like I originally said, but more of a cream soda base. It's different. I like it because it's not fruity. Everything else seems to be candy flavors, and this one's not candy flavor. So I can appreciate that for sure. But it's not something that I would want all the time. That's all. And this is definitely not a flavor that I can have with food. This is literally a little treat by itself, you know, and that's all. So there you go. I really wanted to try the zero sugar since I figured out there was zero sugar. So anyway, hopefully you guys have a wonderful day. If you try this, let me know down in the comment section what you think of it. But those are my thoughts. Have a great day. See you tomorrow.